What are you doing?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you putting that on there?
Because it helps me with my nose.
What?
It helps me with my nose. And gives me a jawline.
Right, so breathing through your nose and give you a jawline, what does that mean? Does that mean you're going to be quiet and I'm going to get some peaceful sleep?
I won't snore.
No snoring?
Mm-mm.
Oh, yes.
Do you want one?
No.
Mm.